In a major display of political might, the Tipra Motha Party organized a massive election rally at the Rangiatilla School Ground under the 11 Maharanipur constituency, where 11 voters from 5 families officially quit the BJP to join the Tipra Motha.
Nominated candidate Utpal Dabarma addressed the gathering, highlighting key constitutional demands and local development issues. The new voters were welcomed with party flags by Mungia Kami Block President Mahendra Dabarma and candidate Utpal Dabarma.
Family Kumba, Egroson voter, BJP ni yakare, Tipra Motha Party, Ang Techung, Habubagar Ningai, the Ang Saksaitung Ningai, Borok non Kabai Kubagay, Lambda, Sugu. Ang Borotini commitment due. I can hammer by Taylor and Chubaso to man to play it. Born in Boris and Tamu Kaileman, I was the one to help. Abu Simia and Poyani Musungu. Tikabanga Borok, the family of Zagay, Bandi Zagay. Winnie Doffany Borok by Chini Doffany, Yak Tui, the BJP Rogo, Tlangza Tomandro, Tiflin Fighting, other Tonino Katsama Mania and Shu. And the common leader of Nana Saza and Siniza, the BJP Tonero, the Hante Ereng Tonglayo, Hakamla Maya Sin, Kifli Heidi, Habubagrani, Kabeleheno Kwa, Chini, Tipra Mothani, Warriors in Kabeleheno Taham, the Doctor Namsabina Haru, Lot of Heidi, Batsa Borogana Sahorza, Sun Laju Kilo, Heidi Yangi Tong, Heidi Yangi Pokri, Yaba Barotari. April. Kaya kasi na maghang nugi away. Habu baga na maghang sibila na haray. Andro sa markaw tani budi di kokri. Tunabo buju nara pang putri. Yang mo direct file na yak puno. Belay direct na kambay.
Reported by Hiran Boy from Chini, Khorang.